Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making delicious broccoli fry. I know, weird. Like who wants to eat broccoli? But trust me, you'll want to eat this. It's actually really good. And I've never said that for broccoli before, so be grateful. Now, we're just gonna cut like a whole giant bunch into teeny tiny little pieces because you don't want to choke the whole thing down. So make sure to cut it all and take away the white parts. You don't want to choke those down either. So once you've got that like white part thingy, I forgot what it's called, the trunk, I don't know. Just cut it into small square slices like so, like this. Now, it may look like a potato, but forget that because it's actually fried cauliflower. No, wait, sorry, broccoli. So now you're gonna boil water and add all your broccoli pieces. So add them all in the big pot of really hot water. Add some salt for a little bit of that extra flavor. And then cook for a few minutes. You want to wait until it gets nice and soft. Now remove it from the water. You don't want it to get too soft, as in mushy soft. Just right so you can eat it, okay? Basically so you can break it. Now in a small bowl, you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of basin. Okay, 1 and 2. Next, you're gonna add chili powder. Add a lot if you're like me. The best flavor has the most spice. Add some salt and some coriander powder as well. You're also gonna add some jeera powder. There's gonna be a lot of powders in here, so be ready. Amateur powder, told ya. And you're just gonna mix it. Okay, no more. So just mix it and make sure it's all completely mixed in together, like so. That's what it should be looking like. So now you're gonna add some oil into the pan, and you're gonna add some jeera. Now what you're gonna do is just fry the jeera, basically like that. Make sure to mix it all and add some curry leaves. Mix it around everywhere. And now you're gonna add some crushed garlic. I know, makes your throat go weird, but it's actually pretty good. So now you're gonna add a little bit of turmeric powder. I don't know if it gives any flavor, but it does give some color. And then you're gonna add all your boiled broccoli into it. So add it all in and mix it up. So this is just gonna look like normal broccoli. And now you're gonna sprinkle your mixed masala powder. Okay, this is gonna give it the real flavor. There's like barely any oil, so it's completely healthy, guys. So cook for a few minutes. Just let the broccoli really capture all of that masala, like so. And basically just mix it around. So now you're done. Just put it on a plate and eat. It is so good. It's so healthy. And for the first time, it's the best vegetable I've ever tasted. I know, super weird. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell button for new videos. And enjoy this super good treat. It's also really good with like spicy onions. Thanks for watching.